We're living through an era of rapid climate change, and at the very heart of it is one undeniable fact. The Earth is getting hotter, fast. 2023 was officially the hottest year ever recorded, and that trend hasn't slowed in 2024. Multiple scientific agencies like Copernicus and NOAA are all saying the same thing. Our world is warming at a pace we've never seen before. But this isn't just about numbers on a graph. This relentless warming is triggering extreme weather, rising sea levels, and massive disruptions to ecosystems everywhere. Scientists all agree these changes are directly linked to the buildup of greenhouse gases from burning fossil fuels. That's why we keep hearing urgent calls to move away from coal, oil, and gas to shift rapidly toward cleaner sources of energy. But here's where things get complicated. Natural gas, especially in the form of liquefied natural gas, or LNG, has often been promoted as a bridge fuel. The argument goes like this: it produces less carbon dioxide than coal or oil when burned. So it's a better choice for the climate while we ramp up renewables. This idea has driven huge investments in LNG infrastructure around the world. But there's a problem that's often overlooked: methane emissions, specifically what's called methane slip. Methane is the main ingredient in natural gas. It's a powerful greenhouse gas, much more powerful than carbon dioxide in the short term. In fact, over a 20-year period, methane is about 80 to 86 times more effective at trapping heat than CO2. And while methane doesn't last as long in the atmosphere as carbon dioxide, its impact is supercharged during those years. That means even small leaks, what we call methane slip, can have a huge effect on global warming right now. Here's the kicker: if we don't tackle these methane emissions throughout the entire natural gas supply chain, LNG can sometimes end up being just as bad or even worse for the climate than coal, especially over the next 2 decades. So what does this mean? Basically, we can't afford to ignore methane slip. The benefits of switching to natural gas only hold up if we're honest and thorough about all greenhouse gas emissions, not just carbon dioxide. If we want to meet our climate goals and avoid the most dangerous impacts of global warming, reducing methane emissions from LNG isn't a side issue. It's central to the whole conversation. Let's be clear-eyed about what's at stake. Every fraction of a degree matters. We need real solutions that deal with all emissions because our window for action is closing fast.